filter's due for cleaning. Actually, while I'm thinking about it, I'm going to clean the filter today. There's the coil, and sometimes if you look close enough you can see the condensation sliding down the coil. It's actually a pretty cool thing to see. Yeah, I can see a little bit of it. See the condensation there just trickling on down. But let's go hose out that filter, because I don't want to run this thing with loose fiberglass and stuff very long. This is what happens when you have a small window unit trying to cool a large space in 100-degree heat. But that's all I have, and that's all I'm going to have in there, because I'm not pulling that thing out of the wall. So we're going to set this on the ground. I'm not going to use any soap or anything. Just going to take it and hose it off. Get all the dirt out. If this was in the house, I'd be doing this in the kitchen sink or the bathtub. That's good enough. Flip it around and check it. Looks good. And then we'll go shut the water off. It doesn't cost me nothing to run that water though. Now I'll walk back inside and put this nice wet filter back in the unit. I'm actually going to dry it off a little bit though. See y'all in a second. Hey guys, let's put this filter back in because I don't want this coil to get clogged up. Never clean a filter in a window unit with it running. I don't recommend it. But I'm not shutting this thing off at 100-degree heat. This filter is going to be a you know what to get back in here. Alright, this wouldn't be a pain. Trying to get the darn filter back in. There we go. Actually, let me say I'm putting it in backwards. This refrigerator wasn't here. So now, I can suck all that moisture out of that filter. And just moving more air. That's the intake. And that's the temperature of the filter. I just hosed it off, but it's hot in here. 82. Probably about 80 something degrees in here. It's about 80 degrees because I don't want to show too much of this, but pointing at a shelf with the laser thermometer is reading 80 degrees, but that's tolerable. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And actually, what time is it? 6 o'clock. I usually shut this thing down at 7 o'clock every night. I usually turn it on about 10 o'clock and shut it off about 7 o'clock. The filter's already getting dry. You can hear the fan outside slinging the water onto the coil. It's got a slinger ring on it. Never do this. Oops, I just shut the compressor off. I meant to turn it in between high and low, but I didn't. And I gotta wait 3 minutes to turn it back on. It's my mistake. I wasn't paying attention to what way I flicked the knob. But mistakes happen. There it goes. Now, Arctic blast. It's so cold it hurt my hand. Never do that, it'll damage the compressor. Alright, well I'm going to go back in the house because it's hot outside. Alright, see y'all in the next video.